everyone. In this video, we are going to understand about the pointers, how to use the pointers and working of the pointers. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to understand the ampersand operator. Ampersand operator gives you the address of this variable var. Whenever we declare any variable, say var, it is an integer variable, var is equals to 2. What the computer will do is basically it create the memory whose name is var is created at some address, say 100. So value 2 is being assigned to the variable var. Now we create the pointer. Pointer is a variable that will hold the address of some variable. In this case, it is an integer pointer, so it will hold the address of the integer variable. While initializing, we are giving the address of the variable var to the pointer. So this is the representation of the pointer. Pointer is being assigned the address 100 and is being created at the address 200. So while declaring the pointer, we use the sign called the asterisk sign. So this is used to declare the pointer variable. Why it is called the pointer? Because from this pointer variable ptr, we can point the variable var. This means we can execute all the operation from the pointer itself. Either we can change the value of the variable, we can print the value of this variable with the help of the ptr. If I ask you to print the value of the variable var, it will print with the help of this line. So this value, it will print the value 2. So why? Because this is asterisk is called the dereferencing operator. Dereferencing means that whatever the value is being stored at the address which the pointer was holding, we have to print that value. This means pointer is holding the address 100, so we have to go to that address, and whatever value that is being present at that address, we have to print that value. This means it can be said similarly as go to that address which the pointer is holding and move inside whatever is being present at that address. So print that value. If I ask you to change the value of the var from 2 to 3, you can do this with the help of the pointer itself by writing star ptr is equals to 3. So this will change the value of the variable. After, if I ask you to print the value of the var, it will be printed as 3. After executing this operation, how is basically we go to that address which the pointer is holding, which is 100. We move inside whatever is being present at that address and we change the content from 2 to 3. So this will print the value of the variable as 3. Now I have told you how to use the pointer and the working of the pointer. If you have any doubt regarding the pointers, let me know in the comment section, and in the next video I am going to solve the question related to pointers. Don't forget to watch this video. Thanks for watching.